Today I will show you how to make this very easy and funky crochet scrunchie, and it's just perfect. Hi, I'm Shaburi from hookedinloops.com. I make various kind of crafts tutorials in my channel, so please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for getting notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. For this project we will require an elastic band, a 4-ply acrylic yarn, a yarn cutter and a crochet hook of size 3 millimeter. So we will take the yarn and at first we will make a slip knot. You will get the beginners crochet tutorials in my playlist for absolute beginners, so check it out. Insert the hook in the slip knot and then we will start our tutorial. We will take the band and we will do a slip stitch around the band in this manner. Draw the yarn through the slip knot in this manner and the slip stitch is done, and then we will secure the slip stitch with a chain 1. Okay. Now we will start doing single crochet stitches around the band in this manner. So put the hook around the elastic band, draw the yarn through it and yarn over and draw the yarn through the 2 loops and the single crochet is done. In this way we will cover up the entire band with single crochet stitches. The number of single crochet stitches depends on the circumference of your band. Just make sure that the background color is not visible through the stitches, so just do as many number of single crochet stitches as you want to cover up the elastic band. Okay. Once the single crochet stitches are done, we will just complete this round with a slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch of this round. So we will just insert our hook in the first single crochet stitch of this round and draw the yarn through it and do a slip stitch followed by a chain 3, and with this we are beginning the second round. The chain 3 is the first double crochet stitch of this round, and we will do another double crochet in the same first single crochet stitch of the last round. So in that particular stitch we did a chain 3 and a double crochet. Then in the next stitch we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches, that is an increase. In the same manner, we will be doing 2 double crochet stitches in each and every stitch of the last round. That is an increase in each and every stitch of the last round. And we will repeat this pattern. We will quickly complete this round. And then we have nearly reached the end of this round, and we will be doing the last 2 increased stitches in the last 2 stitches of the previous round. And we are done with it, and now we will just complete this round with a slip stitch in the third chain of the starting chain 3 of this round. So insert your hook in the third chain of the starting chain 3 you did in the beginning of this round. like this. Draw the yarn through it and just do a slip stitch, followed by a chain 1, and just cut the yarn, and with this our scrunchie is ready. We will weave in the loose ends, okay, and our scrunchie is now ready to be used. Isn't this beautiful and perfect? It is really beautiful hair accessory. You can try this and you can sell these. I hope you liked this tutorial, and if you liked this tutorial then please hit the like button, comment in the comment section, and also mention if you want to see any other kind of videos. I will just love to make those for you. So thank you and have a great day, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.